taking apart my toilet area and my wardrobe, because that panel in there has a window behind it that I did not put Reflectix or foam on, so I'm going to do that. And as you can see through the back there, you can see those were two windows I did cover up because it'll be covered anyway. So I'm going to pull this out, which is a pain, and as you can see it's all bolted to that frame rail down there. So get this out, get this done. That'll be section 2. Then on to section 3, which is over here. And once section 3 is done, section 4, we'll be getting the ceiling in. Yay! Oh, right in front of that fan. Alright, we're continuing on.